As blizzard warning, and to show you guys that I am not kidding. I don't know if you can see that. Blizzard warning.
Code to a 7-day plan to get going on that new year.
Kill, go outside. Hey, let's go. We didn't have school today because of the blizzard warning. So, yeah. Oh, snap. I don't know if you guys can see it, but so much snow falling right now. Holy crap. Oh, look at this guy. Stand in front of you. He's wearing black, so you can see the whole bunch of snow falling on you. Okay, turn around. Oh, you can't see that much. You need to be bigger, so. Damn it. So much snow. I'm going inside because then I'm going to be buried in snow. Yeah, I ain't kidding. I ain't kidding, man. I ain't kidding.
If you wear makeup the night after.
Not usually, but maybe I'll try. In fact, this tingles actually.
Yeah, it's actually working. Sometimes you do feel a tingle.
Alright, well, hope we survive this. And I'll see you guys later.